Hello, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to create a small video on Endnote. I hope this video will be helpful for the researchers who are in their initial stages of research like literature review. Before going to Endnote, let me give you a small introduction about what is Endnote. Endnote is a software program used to store and organize citation information. Generally, we use citation information and as well as references bibliography after completing our paper, where we need to insert our citations and we have to create our bibliography of our particular research paper. EndNote can be embedded inside Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, OpenOffice, etc. To download EndNote, we have to go to this website, that is endnote.com. Yeah, if you go to this website, you will find the option for buy EndNote. You can click here or you can click here. It will take me to this page. As EndNote Desktop is not a free version, we have to go to and choose either of these licenses. And if you want to check the free trial for this version, you need to go here. At the bottom of the page, you can find EndNote extend for 30 days. Then it will ask you to fill this form, your name and job title, role, email ID. And if you click on submit, then you will receive an email link with the 30 days free trial version. I have already installed this EndNote in my desktop. You will receive an email link to install 30 days free trial version. This is the menu of EndNote. This is my EndNote. I have created a new library. In EndNote, it is essential to create a library. The library is nothing but a file which consists of all your references stored in a single library. If you go here, you will find new library, open shared library, open reset. If you go to new, it will ask you, I am entering it as a new, and I click on save. I am creating a new library. This is the name of the library. If we go through the menus here, you have file, you have save, copy, library, import, export, print, and all. And I'm not going to explain all the menu options here. I'm going to explain only basic features. If I go here, this is the library. This is my library files. If you see here, it is 0. I'm having no references here. If I click on here, this takes me to the online search mode of EndNote. In online search mode, you can select any of the online databases. If I'm selecting PubMed, then after connecting this, you need a internet connection for this. I'm going to search the title engagement, and I click on search, and it will show me how many references it has in this database. It will retrieve all the 1 to 10,434 citations to my library. I'm not going to take, because it will take so much of time. I'm just entering 10. It will retrieve the data of 10 papers into my library. It has retrieved 10 of the references with a title engagement. And also this depends on the access to the databases, because it depends on the, if you have access to your university databases. If I am selecting National National University of Singapore. Okay, now I am going to search the same title in this database search. I am getting 1 to 115 references. If I click on OK, and it will take some time to retrieve all the 116 references into my library. It is downloading, it is showing all the references and 17, 18, and it is going on. It will retrieve all the references from this particular database, that is National University of Singapore. Okay, this is how we search online. After searching online, if you want to if you need some of the papers from this database, you need to select the files. I am selecting all the files, Control A, and I am selecting this one. I'm selecting all the files, and I'm selecting this one. If I click on this, it will take me to my offline library. You see, I have selected 10 references from online, from PubMed, and I have copied it to my offline library, from online to offline. Now I can access these files. Yeah, this is how we search in online. Yeah, before that, I will explain you what are the, I have got some references now. Now I am going to explain you what are the options in these references. Yeah, if I select any reference, you will see three options here, four options here. First one is reference. This will give you entire detail about your reference. You see, this is author name, year, title, journal, volume, pages, DOI number, ISSN, as well as abstract, notes, URL, everything. And if I select here, it will show me only the citation. And if I select here, it will show me the full paper of this particular uh, reference. I'm not having this full paper. That's why I'm not getting anything here. If you want to download full paper, you have to go to this. You can either select all the paper, you can select the paper, and you can right click and you can select find full text. If you select find full text, it will try checking in your if you are in university, if your university is having some database collection, then it will retrieve the full paper from that website and it will be shown here. Currently I'm not I don't have access to this particular paper, so it is showing not found. If you have access, then the full paper will be downloaded. This is about online search and how to convert online search to offline. Okay, now I'm going to show you the parts of I have shown you the parts of the references. If suppose I'm having I don't have some access to these databases, then I have to check manually from Google Scholar. Yeah, I'm going to a Google Scholar website, scholar.google.com. Here I'm going to select any construct name or any variable name. After that, yeah, after that, yeah, this is Google Scholar. I have searched the name variable name employee engagement. After that, you will find a option here. This is how we do. If you want me make me clear, I will show you from the presentation. Yeah, here how to use Google Scholar to download citation. This is the option you need to select for downloading your citation, and it is the option to download your citation into Endnote. Let me take you there. Yeah, this is the option here. If you click here, you will see an option to download the you see here, if I want this particular reference, I can click and copy the reference and I can paste them in my research paper. And if I want the same reference to my Endnote, you can see this option here. If I click on this, it will take me to the download location. I am downloading this particular reference in my desktop. Click on save. Yeah, it is saved in my desktop. If I click on this file, as my Endnote library is already open, it will directly take to the Endnote library. You see, I have imported a reference from Google Scholar, and this citation also don't have the full PDF and it have remaining things. Okay, this is the citation and there is no full paper for this. If I want full paper for this, I can check directly from here, find full text and click find full text, and it is showing not found. Okay, then I'm going to this site, Google Scholar. If you see in Google Scholar, this is the title of the paper I have cited now by using this option, double quotation. Now I'm going to see whether the full paper is available or not. If you see to the right side of the each a paper title, there is a PDF option. If some papers are not having PDF option, means there is no free availability of that PDF. If it is showing PDF, then it is free. I click on this, then it will take me to the PDF file of the full paper. Now I have citation here and I have full paper here. I need my full paper linked into my citation. So what I do is I go to this paper and I download it. I download it on the desktop and then I go to Endnote. Here you see option paper click symbol here. If I click here, it will take me to location where I have downloaded the paper. I am selecting this one. This is the paper. Okay, then you see this paper is embedded into my reference. This is the one of the best option in Endnote, because this is your reference and you can simultaneously read the paper in Endnote itself. You don't need to go to the PDF reader like that. And if you want to go to PDF reader from this paper, you don't need to go to the file paper location and all. You just right click this page and full text, open with Foxit reader. For this you need install the Foxit reader. This is the Foxit reader I have installed. This is a free version only. You can also download it from the website. Here I can read it full paper, and this is how I have imported reference from Google Scholar, and it is having paper. See, the paper click option shows that I have a paper full text of this citation. Okay, then I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to show you how to insert citations in MS Word. Let me open a MS Word file. Uh, I'm going to MS Word. I'm taking a blank document, and I'm going. If you see here, I have installed Endnote in my system. That's why you see a option called Endnote here. This is whenever you install Endnote in your PC, the Endnote option will automatically added into your MS Word. This is the Endnote options. You can see the all the Endnote options here. Now I am going to that paper. Yeah, here I'm going to cite this paper in my study. I'm going to cite this paper in my study. So I go to my paper and I type something about which is mentioned in this paper, and I paraphrase it, or else I can take this as it is. So I have taken a content from this paper. I need to either paraphrase it, and as well as I have to code this paper, cite this paper. To cite this paper, I go here. There are two options available. You can directly cite the paper from here. Go here and insert citation. Select insert citation, and you have to find the name of the author from this set. The author name is Macey, Mackey, and so otherwise you can go to the Endnote and click on insert citation here. Insert cite, you select this one and select this option, double quote insert citation here. It will take you to directly to MS Word. See, I have inserted this citation as well as my reference has also been added. This is my bibliography or reference. Yeah, this is my reference. Now I'm going to cite another paper. Suppose I take this paper and I want to cite this paper. I write something about this, and I want to insert this citation, this paper citation. I go and select this one. You see, the reference citation is added as well as reference is automatically added. This is how we insert citation and create our bibliography or reference chapter here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. This is how we have done. See. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to create groups in Endnote. Endnote is a library where you can collect a lot of references, but you need to segregate the references based on your requirement. Suppose I am creating, there are two things in this group. First one is group set as well as groups. First I'm going to select create group set. I'm giving some name, set set 1, and then I'm going to create another group, set 2. In set 1 what I do is I'm again creating a group. This is group set and it is group. In this group I'm giving a name it as main construct, and I'm creating one another group in this second group set, that is subconstructs. Okay, now in main construct I want to add some of the references. I see this is my main construct, this one, and so I select these three constructs and I select all these three and click and drag into your main construct group. Now these three has been added to this group. Now I want to add other references. Suppose I want to add this reference to my subconstruct. Then I will move to here. This is how we create groups as well as add the references to the groups. Okay. Now you can see there are total references of 11, and my main construct is having 3 and my subconstruct is having 3. Like this you can create as many groups as per your requirement. Okay. Now I'm going to show you uh, how to use Endnote. Let me check how to use Endnote online. Now we are working on a Endnote application which is installed on my desk. My PC. Now I'm going to show you how to install and how to use Endnote without installing Endnote to your PC, because Endnote desktop is a paid version whereas in Endnote online is free version. Let me take you to the website, the same website endnote.com, and I go here. If you see there is one option called Endnote online login. If I click on this, it will take me to enter the sign in details for my Endnote login. Okay, if you are the new user you have to select register. I have already registered, so I am clicking and sign in. Let me give the correct password. Now it is taking me to my Endnote online page. If you don't have the paid version or trial version of Endnote, then it is better to use Endnote online version. This is how a Endnote online version looks like. Here it shows the name of the user, and it have all the options available, almost all the options available in your Endnote desktop. See, you have groups here. These are the groups. You have option for formatting, organizing, downloading, everything. Okay, this is how we use on Endnote online. It is taking some time. Before that, let me tell you any other important features available in this Endnote application. If I select a reference, this one, yeah. If you see, this option is to import. If I select on import, you can import a Endnote file or a PDF file which is available on your system. If I select this one, this is a PDF file. Okay, open, import. You see, it has been imported. I have the PDF file, but the reference is not formatted. Similarly, if you select import, choose, and same Endnote file which I have downloaded before and open, then import, you will get the same file. It is already here. See, same references. This is how we import manually. And next one is export. If you want to export this particular reference, then you can click here and you can select the file which you need, text or rich text format or HTML, then click on save. Then your file will be saved on particular that location. If you go to desktop, you will find this one. This is the uh, this is the citation. Okay, this is the option for this, and this one is find full text. I have already told you, no, if you right click and go and find full text, this is the find full text. Similarly, this is the option for find full text. And if you go here, this is insert citation, and you can format bibliography. If I click on format bibliography, it will take me to the again to the MS Word, because the formatting styles are different for different journals. If I select annotated and click OK, you see my referencing style will change automatically. See, the abstract background is coming here because I have selected annotated format. If I select Chicago, then you will see this is the format for referencing Chicago. And if I select Vancouver, this is the format for Vancouver. 1, 2, it is giving number into the references as well as the citations. If I select again APA, this is the APA format. You can either select from here or from Endnote and from here. It will take you directly to this page only. Okay, this is it. Then you can also format the references, that citations. If I go here, edit and manage citations, if I click on this, it will show me the format of the citation. By default, it is displayed as in brackets. By default, it is displayed as author name, comma, year, both everything in a bracket. If I want to change this, if suppose closing this, if suppose I want to change this, if I want to state the author states, if I want to paraphrase the author's claim, if I want to insert the claim of the author at the beginning, then I go and edit citations. Sorry, first of all I have to insert the citation. I will insert the citation first. I go here and insert the citation, then it is inserted in the beginning of the sentence, but it is not the right way for uh, doing the paper in beginning. Now I'm going to edit and manage, and I select display as author in bracket here. If I click on OK, this will be changed into authors in the bracket here states that. And otherwise, if I want to change this into author and year, I click on OK. Then you see, let me check this, author and year. Okay. Yeah. That sorry, I am selecting exclude author and year. I have to select displace author and year. Then it will show me like this. If you want to exclude author and year, you can select that option. This is how we do this in MS Word. Similarly, there are some more options. If I select update citations and bibliography, these all citations will be updated as per the Endnote application. Endnote application. Now, these are the important options here. Now I go again to Endnote. I have discussed this, and if you want to remove this particular citation, because I am having two citations with the same name, and it is having full paper and it don't have full paper, so I don't want this reference in my library. So I right click it and I remove this using move reference to trash. If I select that particular citation will be reference will be moved to trash. So click again here empty trash, then it will be completely removed from my entire Endnote library. This is about options here. Imported reference is nothing but whichever we have imported using this import option. Copied reference is nothing but which you have copied from online search. All reference is nothing but total references. Okay. Now, yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to Let me take you to the Word document. Yeah, if I if I want to remove this particular citation reference from this paper, just I remove the citation, automatically your reference is removed. For that you have to click on this one, update citations and bibliography. See, this is removed because I have not cited that paper. I have removed that citation here. Now if you come again here, you see this is, if you click on this, it will be sorted as per the it is the sorting option. If you click on author, it will be alphabetically ordered. If you click on year, it will be given in ascending or descending order. Similarly, title will can be sorted, and similarly we have options for, if you click on here on the title of the references, you will get these many options. You can select which options you need. If I select rating, I will see rating here. I can give rating of the particular reference. See, if I give rating 5 star, then that paper is showing 5 star. If this paper is so important for me, I can give a rating for like this, just for my reference. Okay. Now these are the options in referencing. There are so many options to explore, but I am explaining only a few which are important for us. And in the beginning, yeah, and it is not giving. It is taking so much of time. You can try it Endnote online. If you have the paid version of Endnote desktop, then if you go into tools and you select shrink, entire library in your desktop will be synced to your online version. Entire desktop will be synced to your online. That is the option for uh, full paid version or free trial version. This sync option. Okay. Yeah, by this I hope you have enjoyed this video. I mean, you have learned a little. If you have any queries, you can ping me on my email id, which I have given in the below description. Thank you.